So I had to go to this gas station here, Exxon. There's a taco shop to get this $20 bill because this is the lowest amount you can get from a fucking ATM. This gas station is sketchy, the ATM is sketchy, and this banknote is sketchy. How the hell is this money? And all because I have to pay $5 in hard money for this Lake Travis park, and I want to go there, and I couldn't withdraw $5, so I had to come here, and it's too warm. It's too warm for not having an AC on. Hey guys, this is the Lake Travis. I'm not there where I want to be, but I want to give you that view here and there. I think is the Oasis. It's the restaurant everyone is talking about. Okay, you don't see it because I don't know, perhaps you see it, perhaps you don't. I'll make a picture later. Yeah, I'm here. I paid my diligence and got some play money as well. Okay, I met this woman called Julia. She works here at the park as a ranger or something like that. She marked me this spot, and I think I'm there, right? I think I'm there. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's go. That's the East Trailhead, Travis Park. Something like that. Tawny crazy ants, how to spot. Why should you be concerned? Tawny crazy ants readily move into RVs and vehicles. No way. What can you do? Keep vehicles on paved areas if possible. Make sure that your site and vehicle are always clean prior to equipment may be present. Scheiße. I gotta check this. Okay, but I got my water bottle, I got my map. I'm ready for this side quest. I had to unlock this DLC with $5, sorry, $8.50 because I had to pay a fee, and I had to get $20 for that. That's just, why do they? I understand that they only take cash, but it's just not nice. So let's look for those ants. The park is clean. That's the good thing about paying a fee here, or an entry fee, right? That's what it's called. I don't see any ants. I don't see any ants. Always park against the sun, right, guys? Always park so don't burn your balls. I don't see anything moving. Nice. I should have asked if this is like rattlesnake area, or I don't know. I'm the first time in an area that has predators or snakes. We have snakes in Germany as well. A lot of people don't know that, but not like they here in America do, right? Okay, let's go. Bottle map. That's the road. That's the road. And power bank, because I'm an idiot. I don't wanna. My phone has only 50%, so I can recharge it on the way if I have to. I currently don't know what I should think about the Texas nature, the flora and fauna, because in Germany it's so different. We have this very, I don't know what Lehm means. I don't know if is it clay? I don't know. And we have this thick, moist, wet, earthy kind of situation. I mean, we're way more north, right? When you would move Germany on the world map, on the globe, you would end up in Canada. Canada and a bit of the tip of New York, I think. Yeah, the state New York. It's just so different. Here, everything is so dry, even though the air is a bit moist. That's new to me, right? That's new to me. I've been to the Mediterranean area before, but it's different. Let's see, guys. And this kind of area here is very stony. You have this trail and there are a lot of stones. There are sometimes these Wurzeln. Don't know what that is in English. And I definitely have the wrong shoes. But yeah. It's definitely warm. Today is the warmest day of the week. And I decided to go for a trail, but I have to do something. Yesterday I didn't do anything. My step counter is im Arsch because it was at around 10,000 on average, and yesterday I only did 500 or so. But I needed it. I feel it still. My nose is still closed. When your nose is closed, then perhaps you heard of it, but when your nose is closed, you have problems with the ear as well. And also a little bit feeling of the heart I have. Okay, this is now an interesting place. Let's see. So I like to fold my maps, and this time I did the perfect thing of folding it in in a way where I don't see anything. But now I have to go with it. Look, this is where I started, and I assume now I'm here, right? I'm here. This is the only crossing that has this. I don't know if you are into navigation with a map or not, but there is no. I have the bottle in between my legs. I have to walk a bit. TH. That's not here, so I don't care about it. There's something on there. Can I zoom? 502 Pancho. No, there's nothing on it. Or is this saying Pancho Trail? Take the bottle. Let's go for a quick look. I mean, I'm 100% sure. Pack Trail. Pancho Pack, yeah, that might be the same, right? No. No, huh? Pack Trail? It says Pack Trail, right? In case of emergency. 502. You see that here, right? I started there. And I mean, I couldn't just skip this one here, right? So, but there's the Pack Trail. But I think it will guide me to the Pack Trail. I don't get it. Because when you walk the Pack Trail from another place, then you go this round, and you will come back to the Pack Trail. Okay, I'm sure that I'm definitely here at this point, so I walk this way and I come out there. So let us walking. I gotta find the translation for all the German words afterwards, and I will put them into the video. Something like this looks nice here, right? For me, but I don't know. I miss something. I miss a little bit moisture here in Texas for the nature, not for me. Right? I want to move to a warm place on Earth because my mind is better. And look at them. They are nice. But I miss some moisture. I have Scandinavian skin, very fair or bright. And sun is not my best friend, but for my mind it's the best friend. And that's important as well. So, yeah. That's perhaps something I have to learn, right? Have to learn how to deal with it. But you could make your own oasis. Even in a desert there's an oasis, right? So, even the cacti here die. It's not a good sign. Okay, they are alive. See you later, guys and ladies. Perhaps when they're the ladies. Okay, I started here, went the lefty, the Pancho, the northern Pancho, then the straddle your saddle, down to the lefty, and that was 40 minutes. 40 minutes with a little bit of filming, a little bit of picture taking. Now I want to go to this Alfred Cove situation here. I don't know, I think I start from there and then I walk up there, across the line. Alright, let's move. I gotta say that a little bit more water for Lake Travis would be nice. Then it would be an actual lake, not a pit. Should this stop me, or is this just stopping cars? It's just stopping cars because there's the way. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh. There's the path. Now I'm on it. It's just for cars. You see, there's a track. And I'm not supposed to drive up here. Okay, that's the next trail. Let's see, guys, let's see. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. When you see this in 5 years, this might be a housing area as well, right? Unless this guy buys it and won't allow any another building there. But it must be nice living there. It's a little bit outside of Austin, right? And you have Lake Travis. I don't know if Lake Travis is going into the Colorado River, or the river that is going through Austin, that you have the connection there. But then you could just go with your boat. You go down to the shore, into your boat, jet ski, whatever, and then you drive into Austin with your boat on the sea, on water. That would be nice. You never have a problem with finding a parking lot again and having to pay for it. When this place had a little bit more water, it would be nice. Would be nice. I'm thinking about how to get water here. You definitely need to change some trees here. You need more trees that work as a sponge for water, that you trap it here, right? There has to be rain over here as well, and you have to trap it. That's the way to go. That has to be the way to go. But everything's dry. Everything's dry. But then you have some trees that are green. Like this one here. It is kind of Mediterranean here, I gotta say this. But I miss a bit water. I miss a bit water. Guys, you see this here, this taco truck? Taqueria El Trompo, Mayor. I can definitely recommend you this. It's close to, it's just next to some very busy street. But the tacos are good. I haven't figured out what you can fuck up with a taco, but the tacos are nice, right? So far I had no bad taco. That's good. That's good, huh? And they actually had a hot sauce, the green one. I took the green one, that was hot. I miss a little bit the spiciness in the Mexican cuisine. But, I mean, when they have the hot sauce, then it's good. Then it's good. Okay. But I ate 5 tacos again, and I'm still hungry. I think it was $18, but no tip. She didn't let me tip. That's good. Obwohl, I want them to profit, right? Look at it, guys.